Here I have OPPO F7 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the following list, let's choose here home screen and lock screen magazine. Here let's scroll down and choose here set wallpaper. As you can see, you can use wallpaper from your photos or you can use your wallpaper from the system wallpapers. So let me use the system wallpapers. And here we've got a few wallpapers that you can use. Of course, you can also download more. But in my case, let me use, for example, the following one. Let's tap OK, and you can set this wallpaper on your lock screen or on your home screen. Let me use on my lock screen. Let's tap only set as a lock screen in my case, and now you should see new wallpaper after pressing the power key. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.